Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we have some really good information. But first, I want to tell you guys that sorry for not uploading for almost a week now. Just some personal things came up, so I wasn't able to make any videos or edit or anything. But finally, I'm back home and everything, so we're back at on the grind, like they say. So, with it being September 20th, guys, yes, today's official launch date of the new iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and 11 Pro Max. So let's get into it. It should be released on boostmobile.com as well. So this is my first time going through boostmobile.com and seeing it. So let's go and see. So let's go to iPhones and see what they have. Scrolling down. Wow, look at that. And this is a video too to see which phones we actually got. So right off the bat, look at that. The iPhone 11, guys. Nice price right there. Look at that. I predicted this was going to be $100 less, and I actually got it right. So very nice. Remember, this is the iPhone 11 is basically like the equivalent to the iPhone XR of last year. So a lot of people are calling this the iPhone 11 or the iPhone XR2, should I say? So very cool. Boost Mobile does have it currently right now on sale for $100 less. So this is going to be already a better price than you can find it anywhere else. At least the MSRP price. So it looks like they have a 64 gig, 128 gig, and the 256. Both the 128 and the 256 look like they're already sold out, guys. That's how crazy this phone already came out, and it's already selling out. That's how good it is. But same thing, you get $100 less on all the pricing that they have. So if this phone was basically $700, for Boost Mobile 128, you could get the 650. Or the 256 you can get for $750, which is basically $50 more than the standard 64 gig original price. So that's why to my knowledge, these both phones are sold out. I mean, the price is just so good currently. Excuse me. So no shock there. It's the release date of the iPhone 11s, so that's why they're mainly sold out. Let's see what colors they have. Of course, the green. Ooh, look at that, sold out already. The purple, same thing, it's sold out. Purple does look very nice. And like I said, they do have product red in stock, which usually I believe they have, the blacks, the reds, and the whites usually in stock the most. Let's look at the white. Same thing, they do have it in stock. Very, very nice phone. And then let's look at the yellow. Ooh, sold out. I believe on the XR it was called Canary Yellow or something like that. But very, very nice. But overall, if it was up to me, I'd probably, I don't know, I'll probably just stick with the red or the yellow, to tell you the truth. But they're kind of, the yellow and that, whatever this color is, green, I guess, is more girly color. And then the purple's pretty cool, I mean, it's alright. But yeah, probably like even the black looks pretty cool. But definitely it's nice, like I said. For $600, guys, Boost Mobile, that's a W for you, so. Let's read some of these quick specs. So it says shoot 4K videos, beautiful portraits, and sweeping landscapes with the all-new dual camera system. So remember, the XR only had one camera. Of course, the 11 has two cameras now. Capture your best low-light photos with night mode. Does have night mode. See true to life color in your photos, videos, and games on the 6.1-inch liquid retina display. An LCD display, of course. So same thing like the XR last year, guys. The display is not going to look as good or vibrant as, compared to the pro models, which is, that's why they can keep this price point pretty low. But really, if you don't compare, apples to apples, or the 11 to the pro model, you won't be able to see much of a difference. But once you put them together, then yeah, you'll be like, whoa, there's quite a bit of difference. But like I said, the XR was a pretty nice phone. It was Apple's top rated selling phone, so that's not bad. So. Says experience performance with an A13 Bionic for gaming, augmented reality, and photography. Do more and charge less with an all-day battery, and worry less with water resistant up to 2 meters for 30 minutes. That's another thing. All the new iPhone 11s, they did get a bump up in battery life, which I keep saying it, but the XR was the best in battery life out of all the new iPhone 10s or whatever the X is. So again, all the newer models are getting a better battery life. So this one, just some quick features or specs, should I say. It's a 6.1-inch display, 12 megapixel rear camera, 23 hours of talk time, Video you shoot at 4K, and then of course you get iOS 13. So very cool, guys. Let's look at some other phones. So there it is. There's the XR, which is funny. It's still $650 on Boost Mobile, which is already $100 discounted. But yeah, why would you get the XR if you can get the 11? You know. Let's see if we got any other models. There's the XS, XS Max. Oh, here we go, guys. So we do have the 11 Pro already out of stock. What am I telling you guys? Very, very cool, you know. So $100 less already. Like I said, that's why people love Boost Mobile. Their prices are cheaper, and you know, all that stuff. Yes, the phones are locked for 1 year for anybody that doesn't know. But after 1 year, as long as you use the same phone, you will be able to get it unlocked and use with any carrier. Sorry about that. So let's go ahead and check it out. So this is a 64 space gray model. Then they have the silver, same thing, out of stock. Ooh, the midnight green's probably the favorite one that everybody wants to get. It's pretty cool. And then of course they have the gold, which this was more like the XS and the XS Max colors last year. So a lot of people, I think, they really want to jump on that midnight green. Here's a good picture, shows you all the colors right here. You just kind of want to check them out. I probably personally, I kind of like the space gray, the midnight green, and the white. The gold is just a little too girly for me. Whoa, the 256, same thing, sold out, and the 512 gigabyte model is sold out as well. So you can see $100 less for anything. Retails for $1,000 everywhere. It's going for $900 on Boost Mobile, and then the 256 goes for $1,049 or $1,050. Then $1,250 for the 512 gigabyte model. Wow. So let's see what this one has to say. It says shoot amazing videos and photos with ultra wide, and telephoto camera. So 3 cameras on this one. Capture your best low light photos with night mode. Watch HDR movies and shows on Super Retina XDR display. The brightest iPhone display yet. So that's one thing that they did upgrade is their display, which is very nice. Experience unpredictable. I'm pretty sure I just missaid that word, whatever. Performance with an A13 Bionic for gaming, augmented reality, AR and photography, and get an all-day battery life. Same thing, battery life gets a lot better. And then as well, it doesn't say here, but you do get super fast fast charging. I believe it's like an 18-watt wall adapter. Let's see if it says it here. But you do finally get fast charging with this model. Not sure. I don't think it says it, but it does come with that brick. And then let's go see if we got the Max, the big boy one. Ooh, there it is, guys. So look at that. I was right as well with the leaked, kind of news on this is Boost Mobile did get all 3 models. So it's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and finish the last one. But before we do this, let's go ahead and talk to you guys about our supporter. Wouldn't be, this wouldn't be able to be made without these people. So Honey is a free web browser extension that will find you the best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Amazon, Boost Mobile, Best Buy, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/dragonic to save more and to help out the channel, guys. With this, I was actually able to save $40 on the A20, so you can help get a lot of good discounts. Use my link in the description below. Once you sign up and you make your first purchase using Honey, I will get a small commission. Helps out the channel, so check it out. So let's go ahead and finish off with Apple's iPhone 11 Pro Max, which this is the big boy out of all of them. Same things, out of stock on everything, man. Like I said, let's go ahead and look at the green. It's basically the same, just you're getting a bigger screen. This is a 6.5 inch. So you do get it for $1,000 for the 64 gig. The 256 you get it for $1,150, and then the 512 you get for $1,350. So that's why a lot of people, instead of spending $1,000 on the 11 Pro on Boost Mobile, for that same price you can get the Max, which a lot of people would want. So same thing, same thing's already read to you, but this one does have a 6.5 inch. touchscreen display. Does have a 12 megapixel camera, 30 hours of talk time, 4K video, iOS 13. Same thing, it is all out of stock. And this one does as well come with that fast charging. As you can see, here's the 3 cameras: a 13 megapixel ultra wide, a 26, or sorry, it's a 13. What is that? What was I reading? I don't even remember. Sorry about that. I'm still recovering from being sick, so. But here we go. They have a 12 megapixel camera on all, on the lenses. So 12, the dual 12 megapixel, triple 12 megapixel, and a triple 12 megapixel. I don't know why they keep saying triple, but it's 12. Oh, because that's showing all the. My bad. That's showing all the differences right here. So 5.8 inch on the 11 Pro. On the Pro Max is a 6.5, and then on the 11 it's just a 6.1. Out of all these, the Pro Max actually has the best battery life, so that's pretty interesting. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think, guys. What you guys think about this? God, like I said, sorry. That's, as you can see, that's why I haven't been making videos, man. I'm still getting over this cold and stuff. But yeah, let me know in the comments below what you think, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and let me know if you're thinking about getting the iPhone 11 now that it released, or what do you think about it. So thank you for watching, guys. Thank you.